Not only banking, in all sector, we should have a good communication skill, ma'am. Though we have a good communication skill, we can select in a bank or any other IT field or non-IT field. Retail banking course, I learned many things like how to open the current account and savings account, and how nowadays digital banks will work, how we should interact with customers, and how should keep the good communication with customers. And many all other things I learned, ma'am. I got customer support executive role in HDFC Bank. So it is a good role to connect with customers, and we have a good communication with the customers. I think I had a great opportunity with that.
Hello everyone. Today we have Anusha with us, and she is our alumni in Bixi, and she recently placed in HDFC Bank. Welcome Anusha to Bixi, and many congratulations Anusha.
Thank you.
To placed with the HDFC Bank. So Anusha, can you please brief us like how you feel to achieve this milestone?
Hi ma'am, myself Anusha. I joined Nandi Academy for banking exam. When I joined that academy, I came to know about the Bixi platform for the banking course. So I joined that and I selected I have attended the interview for many bank. Then I selected at last HDFC Bank. I'm so happy for that, ma'am.
Okay, so could you share like what motivated you to join Bixi?
Ma'am, in banking sector, there are many opportunities for the students and employees, ma'am.
Okay.
By joining the banking sector, we will get more opportunities like more salary.
Okay.
All people will work for only for salary now, ma'am.
Okay.
Starting salary only for 22,000. It was good, ma'am.
So Anusha, like what motivated you to join as to pursue a banking career?
By joining in banking, we will get more proudful and we will get more respectable. Ma'am, whenever I go to bank with my parents, I feel very proud in banking people. I decided to join banking.
So like you have a dream,
Yes,
you want to work with bank
Yes, ma'am.
since childhood days.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good, dear. So dear, why did you choose Bixi to help prepare for banking career?
Ma'am, Bixi is a good platform for banking students, ma'am. In Bixi, students will place to many good bank like HDFC, IndusInd Bank, and mentors were also very good, ma'am. They will teach friendly. I have a mentors like Suhasini ma'am, Ruchi ma'am, and Swati ma'am.
Okay.
They were very friendly to me. So it was very good experience, ma'am.
So Anusha, just wanted to know dear from you that what are the most memorable or impactful moment during the course?
Ma'am, I felt all moments are very proudful, ma'am.
Okay.
Though it is a online class, I felt it is a offline class. So that's like all mentors, ma'am. Whenever I go visit IndusInd Bank, HDFC Bank, I felt more proud, ma'am.
Okay. So you want to say that we are just supporting to us, like supporting to you every time, like that. Okay. So Anusha, any one skill that you think that it is a very important role plays in banking? So banking career. Can you please tell
Yes,
us?
ma'am. Not only banking, in all sector, we should have a good communication skill, ma'am. Though we have a good communication skill, we can select in a bank or any other IT field or non-IT field. So it is the main powerful weapon, ma'am. I think.
Okay, so you feels that communication is the most important
Yes, ma'am.
tool
Yes,
to
ma'am.
pursue in any sector.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that's completely good, dear.
Yes,
Yeah, so communication is very important. Communication, as you said very correctly, communication plays a very important role in everybody, like any sector. But yeah, through communication, as we can take the example of banking, as you will just speak with customers. So with that, we require a relationship. We need to build a relationship with customer, right? So for that, communication plays a very important role. Yeah. So for that, we can just if we speak with customers,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. If we just elaborate whatever the things will be, what will be the product, how you will describe the product. Okay, so definitely, as you said, that communication plays a very important role. Okay, on that only the customer will see your communication, your everything. Then only customer will just think that yeah, she is explaining me very well. Okay, very well the product, and yeah, definitely he will be your future customer, and he will banking with us for a future. So Anusha, like after completing the Big C course, okay, so which bank would you dream of joining?
Ma'am, I have a dream in joining the SBI Bank, ma'am. Though it was a government sector bank and it has a
Yeah.
good development. I joined in HDFC Bank, though it is a number one private sector bank. I am very
Yes,
happy
yes.
in joining HDFC Bank, ma'am.
Okay.
When I got experience, I can join in SBI Bank.
Okay, yeah, definitely. You have said very correctly that HDFC Bank is a leading bank
Yes.
in our country.
Yes,
As you
ma'am.
can see, you got a very good opportunity with HDFC
Yes,
Bank.
ma'am.
Okay, like very professional, as you can say that
Yes.
it's a very professional thing. And yes, so HDFC Bank, as you know, that it's a leading bank in our country. And you know that I also work for HDFC Bank for in 2016 I joined HDFC Bank in Bangalore IT Park branch. So I know the work culture of HDFC Bank. It's a very good culture in HDFC Bank, and customer can come to the branch, and they only will ask about the products. Okay, so there will be no problem, no issue will be there for think customer, and products are also very good as compared to other banks. Products are also very good. So for me, it's a very good experience with HDFC Bank. Hope you will get also very good experience
Yes, ma'am.
with
Yes, ma'am.
HDFC
Sure,
Bank.
ma'am.
Yeah. So can you please tell me like any valuable aspect of retail banker course that helped you in your journey?
Yes, ma'am. In retail banking course, I learned many things like how
Okay.
to open the current account and savings account, and how nowadays digital banks will work, how we should interact with customers,
Okay.
and how should keep the good communication with customers, and many all other things I learned, ma'am.
Okay. So you want to say that yeah, you have learned many things in Big
Yes,
C. Yeah, definitely. Big C will help to the candidates, those who have joined Big C. As a trainer, come placement manager, we just take care of all the candidates, those who have joined our course. Okay, so we will just guide them very like from starting actually. Okay, we will just see where are the candidates stuck. Like we used to give the training about modules about all type of banking products. Okay, like you also aware about that banking products,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Whatever we have learned, like savings account,
Current account.
and cards, debit card, credit card, about loans, about forex, about NRI, etc.
Yes.
So we as a Big C team, we used to just guide all our candidates, and also we will help them to we will give them the opportunity actually to sit in the different banks, to give the interview in different banks. Okay, we will help the candidates like once he will placed.
Yes,
Okay, till placement we will help the candidates, and we have opportunity, and we have I only the one point contact from all the HRs of the bank. So we will just take care like of the particular candidates, and we will just give them the opportunity to placed in the banks.
Yes.
So Anusha, how did Big C help you to understand the practical aspect of banking?
Ma'am, in Big C, everyday classes will be conducted, ma'am.
Okay.
Suhasini ma'am, Ruchi ma'am, and Swati ma'am. 3 members also will conduct the class one day after another day.
Okay.
We should complete our assignment within a given day, and not only we learn the theory concept, we can also learn the practical concept in the Big C platform, though it is very good.
Okay, so can you please tell us what kind of experience you have, like in a practical thing, like
Yes, ma'am. How should we do the sales, and how should we open the current account and savings account?
Okay.
NRI means non-resident Indian person. How can you open the bank in India?
Okay.
So all that practical experience I have learned, ma'am.
You have learned. Okay, and can you please tell us about your interview guidance session or
Yes,
your
ma'am.
mock
In
interviews?
Big C platform has helped me to prepare how to prepare the resume
Okay.
and how to attend the interview. What are all interview questions they will
Okay.
ask?
Yeah.
That will very good, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. How did Big C placement support assist you in landing your roles at HDFC Bank?
Yes, ma'am. I got customer support executive role in HDFC Bank. It is a good role to connect with customers, and we have a good communication with the customers. I think I had a great opportunity with that, ma'am.
Okay, so you are very happy with
Yes, ma'am.
whatever role you have received from HDFC
Yes, ma'am.
Bank.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. In that role, you have to manage the
Customers,
customers.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so you are aware that walk-in customers will be there,
Yes,
right? You have to just take care of walk-in customers, and you have to speak them, because it's a very good opportunity to speak with customer
Yes,
and maintain the good relationship with customers. Okay, so then only they will listen you. They will
Yes.
give you the sales also, and they will give you the benefits also. Only the thing is you have to maintain the relationship
ma'am.
with customers.
Yes.
Can you tell us about your current role at HDFC Bank, and what are your primary responsibilities?
Yes, ma'am. I got role like customer support executive in HDFC Bank. Though it is a operational role, it is a good role. We can connect with customers, and we can have a good communication with customers. I am going to Chennai for a training, ma'am, for 20 days.
Great.
Yes, ma'am. I am also very happy to go in for Chennai, ma'am. After training, we will get the joining letter, and we will work in Bangalore, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So, yes, you have said very correctly. Can I tell you my example?
Yes, ma'am.
That I work for HDFC
Yes,
Bank,
ma'am.
so I am aware about this role actually. So all type of customers you have to handle.
Yes,
like
ma'am.
you will be a first front desk
Front desk officer. Yes, ma'am.
role will be there, and you have to handle each and every customer. Okay, if it is senior citizen, you have to help him for deposit, you have to help him for withdrawal. Okay, so I think it's a very good role you got in HDFC Bank, and it's a very good opportunity that
Yes,
you
ma'am.
are working for, you are joining for HDFC Bank, dear. As you said that you are going for a Chennai.
Yes,
So this also will be a very good experience for you, dear.
Yes, ma'am.
You will be learning about the
New
products,
things, yes, ma'am.
new things. Okay, and I think you will learn good things, and also they will give some knowledge about the products.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and they will also tell you how you have to speak with customers, and how you have to pitch the products, and what we need to speak, etc.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
yeah. So, what advice would you give to others considering Big C program for a banking career?
Those who are planning to join the banking sector, I think Big C is a good platform for banking sector. Suggest a few things to them, ma'am. They will give some modules. They should complete within time limit, ma'am.
Okay.
If they should not complete, they are not responsible for that. And they should complete assignment very quickly. What roles and responsibility they will give, they should all complete that, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So you mean to say that we have to complete our course on
Yes,
time?
on time. Yes, ma'am.
Definitely correct. Definitely.
And we should do our roles and responsibility very good. They will also very supportive for us, ma'am.
Yeah, definitely, Anusha. Very said actually. So yes, we have limits to
Yes, ma'am.
complete the modules. 6 week we will give the time for candidates to complete the modules. Okay. So on that modules we have to go through some questions, some
Yes.
quiz.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, some audio clips will be there, recordings will be there. We have to listen, and then we have to come for a training program.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we will also conduct training programs on a daily basis, and also we will just give mock interview sessions, interview guidance session. Okay, so and we have tie up with 15 plus banks and BFSI companies. Okay, so yes, I would say to all that, yeah, those candidates who have done the graduation, they are welcome in Big C, and we will guide them if they are looking for a banking job.
Yes,
Okay, if they are looking for a banking as a career, definitely we will help them to build the career in banking. How has your life changed after completing this course and securing this job, Anusha?
After joining Big C, I came to know how to use debit card and credit card. Though we not have a balance, we can use credit card, and after purchasing the product, we can pay money.
Yeah.
And how digital banking will work.
So Anusha, yes, you have said very correctly here that We as a Big C, we just ask candidates to go through all the modules like savings account, current account,
Yes, ma'am.
credit card and all. Yeah, so they will get to know what the things, like how the mechanism will be for credit card, for debit card, how to use. Okay, so as you are aware about mutual funds,
Yes,
SIP,
ma'am. Yes.
so all these things we will just do in our classes. Okay, so that awareness will be there. Like if if any HR ask questions about all this, so you should aware about all these questions and what is all about SIPs and mutual funds. Okay, but nowadays in every bank, okay, so all banks there will be some tie up with all mutual funds. Okay, so you should know that what mutual funds, what SIPs will be working and what are the how it works actually. Okay, so yeah, we will take care of all these things, and definitely you have mentioned very correctly that. Anisha, is there anyone at Big C or Nandi Academy would you like to thank for your support?
Yes, ma'am. Surely. I joined Nandi Academy. There I met a Dilip sir.
Okay.
So I came to know the Big C platform from him only. So I thank him for giving the Big C platform for me.
Okay.
Then thankful for Suhasini ma'am and Swati ma'am and Ruchi ma'am for mentors who all supported me.
Okay. Anusha, any other things you want to add, dear?
Yes, ma'am. I suggest my friends and those who are looking for banking platform, I suggest them to join at Big C platform.
Yeah.
So this is all about my experience. Thank you for giving this opportunity to share my experience about Big C platform, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Thank
much, Anusha, for sharing your journey. And we are so proud of your success and wish you all the best in your career at HDFC Bank.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so all the very best, dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Do well and enjoy your banking journey
Yes, ma'am.
with us. Yeah.